You know, I think I'll tell you the story of my life.
I want to hear too.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're still on Vlogmas, so today is day 10. Yeah, I'm on my way back, or we're on our way back from the hospital. Like I mentioned in my video that I went for surgery, so I have to do a follow-up of injections every month for 6 months. So I went to get the first one today. I thought I was gonna vlog inside there, but the minute that man held the injection like that, you know how they kind of like test the syringe, I was like, hell no, there's no way I'm gonna vlog this. I'm afraid of needles anyway, so no. Yeah, so we did it. Day 1, we did it. I don't know how I feel, but yeah, it wasn't that bad. I mean, it's really painful when he does it, like it's really painful, but now it's getting better because he's actually injecting on the scar, like literally on the scar. Sure, that was painful. That was really painful, and he's not even doing it like once, he's doing it like multiple times on the scar. Anyway, I got my nails done. Christmas nails. Oh, Christmas nails done, white. Oh yeah, so I did them yesterday, and I also had a client. Yeah, I didn't vlog actually yesterday because I don't know, I felt like there was nothing interesting. So yeah, I didn't take any clients today because I wasn't sure how my body's gonna react to that injection. So we have a few errands to run. I'm with Adrizi. She went to get us ice cream. So yeah, keep watching. Yeah, that's it. Honestly, I'm just done. Oh yeah, guys, hey, the man said that the side effects that this medication may have is to stop the period, like menstrual cycle, and also reduce my white vessels, white something, those things. Yeah, you just give an example with like HIV. He says the same thing that happens with HIV. The medication is gonna cause that. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, I don't have a choice now, but we'll just pray that I don't get any of those, okay? I can't imagine. I cannot imagine. But yeah, we're strong in faith. None of that is gonna happen. Anyway, catch you later. Ice cream, hello. Sure, it's not time. Anyway, bye. Hi guys, so I just got home. After the hospital run, we just decided to go run some errands. Like I said, we collected stuff that I sell. These are bodysuits. Black, nude. There's white. There's one orange. The sandals, and these heels, guys. I absolutely love these. Like it real. Yeah, I really love these. Some more sandals. Yeah, and then I got pots. Yeah, I got pots. I really like these. I love them actually. So yeah, I just thought I'd update you guys. I want to take a nap because I'm not feeling well. Wait, let me turn the camera. Anyway, I just want to take a nap or rest because I'm not feeling quite well. My stomach is upset now. I don't know if it's because of the injection or what, but I need to rest so that I can see if I feel better when I wake up. I was supposed to make deliveries, but I'll ask my cousin, and then yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow if I don't wake up earlier and decide to do anything else. So yeah, bye for now.
Hi guys, today is Saturday. We are to go to the wedding, but we are running late, you know. we are supposed to be at the wedding around 8:30, but we are 20 minutes late. It's a disaster. Let's see when we get there.
We're doing our makeup in the car. Guys, I'm literally trying to do my eyebrows. I get them powerful. Everything is just a mess.
Yeah.
People are driving slow on the way. At least I didn't forget her wig. Hi, Hagit. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. But we'll catch you later. Hi.
Hi guys.
Yay.
So we're stuck here.
If my makeup is not blending, please don't say anything.
Your fave, y'all. Your fave. The papa I say it to me. We're here, y'all. We are here. We have arrived.
Is it hot?
Hi guys, so we just left church and we are on our way to Mokobane, the newlyweds, but we tell and everything. So yeah, guys, it's hot and the makeup is just doing the things. But anyways, we move. We move. So yeah, but we're just gonna quickly grab something by block 7 and then we'll be on our way. So oh yeah, so we don't have any pictures, we didn't even take any videos. Look at it, guys. So yeah, we're just quickly grabbing something by block 7 and we're on our, oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Your brother came.
I can't. Drip is not forever, guys. I'm burning. It's so hot. This weather was not made for wigs. I can't.
Not a makeup show.
No. Guys, I'm in your fave. Imagine.
Fave is weird.
Fave, I don't understand. I'm failing to understand, but we move.
Drip can suck it.
Ooh, honey, the lighting is wow.
Isn't the lighting?
What's going on?
The model thing.
So I'm just gone now.
Is this a supermodel?
Guys, the lighting is great. It's amazing. But it's been raining. We couldn't take pictures. We were lost. They wanted to take pictures, I think, over the Motswana Dam. But we got there, it was raining. It was closed, I think. So they went to some area, somewhere around there. We were lost. We couldn't find it. By the time we figured where they are, cars were already leaving. Because it's raining. There's no need to take pictures in the rain. Hi. So I don't know. We're going back to Gibbs. So basically, that's the end of the wedding. Like, I'm still in one ear. guys, like I'm wearing this. Lucky I carried this thing with me. It's like a little scarf, but it's really warm. Luckily I carried this with me, so because I really tried to take pictures. It was raining, so I'm sad.
I'm sad. I'm like, you will find the spot. And I'm like,
I would trust the train. I was on the ball. Because we're looking too pretty to not take pictures. Like, what is this? What is the meaning of this? Come on. Look, can you look at the... Can you see the lighting? Guys, I'm in the car. Imagine if I went outside. This lighting, this glow. How much? Anyway. Life. Hi guys. Ooh, ciao. It's already your volume, please. It's so many days later. Guys, I apologize. Honestly, I feel so embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. Anyway, I went to Mahalape. You guys, okay. I went to Mahalape, my home village, for a couple of days. I literally left immediately after the wedding, like the clips before this one. Yeah, right after the wedding, I went to my home village. Basically because I was just tired. I was tired of being in the city, and honestly, I just felt worn out. I felt like not much was going on. So yeah, I just had to go and relax and regroup and just get my mental health in check. And what better way than to be with the people that love me, okay? So yeah, I just went there, my home village. I regrouped. I feel brand new. I feel relaxed. I feel like we can start over and do things, okay? I think I might go back though, like for like Christmas and New Year. Yeah, so we'll see how things turn out. I hope there won't be like any lockdown and stuff. You know, my hair is a mess since the wedding. I haven't done anything to it. Yeah, by the way, today is a Thursday. Yeah, I last vlogged on Saturday, so today is a Thursday. Honestly, I wasn't up to anything. It's just home. There's not much going on in Mahalape. It was raining the entire time I was there, so I didn't get up to anything, honestly, that I could vlog for you guys. And I just wanted to take off, you know, the screens and social media and all that. You know, I just wanted to relax, honestly, and just reconnect. And I did exactly that. I achieved exactly what I wanted to achieve and more. So yeah, let's get back to vlogging. Don't mind my hair, guys. I'll do my hair tomorrow, don't worry. Anyway, so I thought I should close the vlog officially by just just filling you guys in on what's been going on. That's why I haven't posted in a while, but I apologize for that. I'm back. And this time around, if I go to Mahalape, I will vlog for you guys just to see the different lifestyle that I live, you know, that's different from the city life. So yeah, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know Vlogmas hasn't been easy, but it's a learning curve. And it was worth the lessons. And yeah, that's it, honestly. Yeah, so bye guys, see you in my next upload.